Hello, I'm Marty Garcia. I work in Dimasa. It's a company that we manufacture stands and trolley for displays and tilt tables in Barcelona. And we have this new product with this Standmove, and it's target for corporate stands. And you can see you have this finish parts of the stands that looks really well for offices and corporate environments. And we have a cable management here that will provide you with a very solid look and professional look as well. So you can find us on dimasa.es. Thank you very much.